F-gas policy is basically a mix of reserved and devolved matters. So we in DEFRA work with our Scottish and Welsh counterparts and with Northern Irish colleagues under a common framework. And the Environment Agency are the main regulator for Great Britain, with CPA in Scotland and Natural Resources Wales also implementing F-gas policy. So very quickly on the F-gas regulation itself, key obligations. There's obviously the phase down that we have at the moment, and the target for that is a 79% cut by 2030 compared to the baseline. We're currently at a 69% cut. Other requirements include leak checking, repair, recovery, training, certification, and reporting. And there's various bits of guidance around the rules on Gov UK. So the phase down reform consultation was launched on the 5th of November. It closes on the 17th of December. And the proposal essentially involves amending the current phase down from the 1st of January 2027 onwards. We would need to have legislation to implement the change, which we, depending on the outcome of the consultation, would look to take through Parliament next year. And the actual proposal would see a move from the current target of the 79% cut to a new target of a 98.6% cut by 2048. That graph there is lifted from the consultation document. There's a link at the bottom to the consultation page, and that QR code also will take you to the consultation. We have set out our main proposal, which is the high ambition option, the green line there. We also present a few other options we considered, and that includes matching the EU option. And just as you'll see in the consultation document, we explain why we consider that the circumstances of the GB market are slightly different from the EU market. So, for example, we consider that there's more air conditioning in the EU average market, and whereas in the GB market, we are planning to roll out more heat pumps, and those differences basically affect the way we modelled the potential phase down that we are proposing.